You have your drop off, just go in, and then you have this bunker, like this hole. So it's actually big, you can go in it and everything. It's big enough. Go it again. That's good like that. You go in and everything. You go here. And then here you have a little bunker that you have a door. You can just go in, and I'm just gonna show you. I don't think I'm gonna go in, but I'm just gonna show you. There's a little door here. Yeah, there's a little door here. You have like little windows on the sides and everything to shoot if you're in it and everything. And we have another bunker here. I'll show you. Pretty damn camouflage because you can't see it from anywhere. Just in there, look, I'm just gonna go in it. I'll show you. You can hide in here. Hide in here. Put that branch on top, and you can't even see me. That's pretty damn good. And come out. And come here. Then we have more bunkers. More bunkers here. We have a couple bunkers here. If you want to be one behind the other, one can be here and one can be here. Start shooting at that one. Yeah, that one. And then you have this one. You can put your bullets in it, everything like that in here. That's pretty good. And then you have this like tree house that we built. And you can go in it. If you want me to show you, I can. Here we go. And then you can come inside, and that's how it looks like. Have all airsoft bullets, anything you can go and do, paintball. And then you just come out again. And that's how high it is. And just go down again. And then here we have another bunker. Pretty damn great. The camouflage is there will be more trees, there will be more camouflage. But it's pretty good. Just hide here, and we could put more like logs here, but you can hide here, shoot anywhere. And then now I'm going to show you the trails for how to get a certain place. So we're going to go this way. Here. Before I had a bunker there, but I all branches fell on it and and here you can start here. There's a trail. Start here. Continue. those little red, like like orange things. That's gonna like show me where the trail is. Another tree fell off. It will bring us to the bunker that I showed you. Here. It brings you back to the bunker that I showed you before. Just here. And then there's another trail. And then there's another trail. You can come this way. You know what? Like that bunker right there. You could be like there's a trail that continues this way, and you should be shooting at this person that's like trying to sneak up on you. And move this way. And then this way. And then you can do here. We're almost here. Here is like another trail if you would want that. See here. You fell down here. And then like we have something right here. So that's pretty much it. And then you have a little trail. You want to come here and this. Down through here. Down through here, and then you're back at the place we were, like at the tree house and the other bunkers. And I had a bunker here before, but I kind of, it wasn't out of good place. I had a bunker right here. And, it's too small because it's too big now. So this was the bunker, and we brought it down. So that's pretty much it. And please rate, please comment, and please subscribe, because it will help us, and we will make more videos for you guys.